bad of a day. It's around, I don't know, 60. So I'm just gonna set her up real fast. Turn her on here. Back button. Wait until she initializes her gimbal. I don't know if you can see it. Just wait there for a couple. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the remote. 2 green lights means that it's binded, it's paired. I'm going to go into my settings real fast. I am going to click on the locations. Now accept it for this while I'm running this app. Here's the thing that I didn't do, silly me, is first you have to accept the Wi-Fi connection. Hello. So now the controller is on. There you go. So you want to connect to the controller, not the drone. By the way, if you want to register it with the FAA, that's the serial number. So just in case you guys didn't know that. Let me try this again. There we go. Bind is a success. Now you press start flying. And there you go, you see the satellites. Well, it was visible there for a minute. Anyway, so let me calibrate this thing. So you want to go to the gyro first. Please level the model and click OK. Alright, let's wait for that. Calibration failure. Alright, don't know what that's about. So let me try this again. Hold on 1 second. Let me get her set up and I'll get back to you guys. I was able to get some satellites here, 13 at the moment. The sun has gone away and it's pretty windy. I'm not going to take it for a range test or do any crazy stuff with it. I just want to see how it flies and see how the gimbal on the camera stabilizes the footage. That's all I'm going to do for today. Alright, so you can see it. Seems like it's pretty stable. I don't know what happened there, but look at that. It's because the wind is blowing from the back. Just gonna do some recording. Let me do some quick yawing. It's pretty nice and stable in the air. See how the footage looks. Yawing to the left. So you can see. Now I'm gonna do some rolling. Alright. See, I'm moving it all around just to see how it looks. It looks good to me. I'm gonna do a quick square circuit. Forward, roll left, roll back, roll right. I'm gonna do organic. Lift it up here. I'm gonna do an organic circle. So as you see, I'm just doing an organic circle, which would be considered to you guys a large toilet bowl. Alright, so that works fine. She flies pretty smooth, I have to say. Look how stable she is. Let me see what she's like when you raise her up. I don't want to go too high. Not today on the first day. Just want to see where are we? We're at, I don't have my height unfortunately on the screen here. I have a distance, but I don't have a height. Now my battery's dying, so now I gotta go and bring her down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to lose RC signal, even though it's supposed to have a default failsafe that if it does lose RC signal, it automatically returns home. But I don't want to risk it until I test her out more. I wasted my phone battery trying to get her to work. It kind of sucks, but I do have an alternative energy source, which I'm going to be showing you guys now, which I brought specifically for that. She's pretty nice the way she just can land her really nicely. You can see there. Oh, a little bit of wind. And I'm just gonna put her down right there. Come on, go. There we go. Okay, so as you saw from the footage, she flies really nice. I haven't done any orbiting modes or waypoints or nothing like that. So, you know, I will do that on the next video. The sun is gone and the wind is starting to pick up. I don't know if you see on the trees. And I just don't want to risk it on the first day. I need to get a feel of her first. But one thing I wanted to share with you guys is this thing, which I'm gonna connect it now. Show you guys. Sorry, I have it in here. And I brought it specifically for this reason, because I know many people have been complaining that their cell phone dies out while flying this thing. So I brought an extra energy cell battery pack made by PowerAd. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I'm just going to connect her. I'm going to put it inside of the static free bag. I hope it's that static free, so it doesn't create any interference. I'm going to put this, connect it here to my phone, see if it works, and I'll just put this in my pocket. Now I can fly a little bit longer.